you saw my TikTok last week, I shared what I got free from DIOR, and this time I used a different promo code, and this is what I got. I used Fall Moon 21 because I wanted this adorable pink bag, and it comes with skincare. I'm Polish, so none of this packaging goes to waste. I reuse the tissue paper. I haven't bought tissue paper in years. You also get mascara and skincare samples, as well as a mini DIOR. And if you know me well, you know how obsessed I am with miniature things. Look how cute this lip gloss is. I also selected lip and skincare samples. And I don't know how I got this again, but I got the luggage tag. I don't need two, so let me know what I should do with the other one. I have all the DIOR codes in my bio. Do you want to see what I actually bought?
If you adore her, DIOR her.
Good day in my mind, seem to take a step out, get some air now.
A continuación les voy a mostrar mis nuevos productos de maquillaje de DIOR. Sigan viendo porque están demasiado hermosos. Empezamos con el iluminador. Este es el Forever Couture Luminizer y es un blanco perlado divino. Lo puedo comparar mucho con el Diamond Bomb de Fenty Skin, pero este se lleva el primer puesto. También tenemos un nuevo bronceador en edición limitada. Miren esta presentación tan especial. Es el tono más claro y es perfecto. Base de maquillaje está en la Forever Skin Glow en el tono Dose Neutral. Deja un acabado muy natural y muy luminoso. Esta se volvió muy famosa en TikTok y en Instagram. Muy necesario, hice restock de mi blush favorito porque ya lo terminé. Este es el 001 Rosy Glow y es perfecto, se activan con el pH de la piel. Y no puede faltar mi barra favorita de labios en el mundo, que es la Rouge DIOR en el tono 100 natural. Este es en acabado velvet y es...
I heard the Chanel Advent Calendar sucks. Let's see how DIOR compares. It better be good for $550. You heard correct. $550 US. Let's start with my lucky number. Off to an okay start. Sample size hand cream. At least it's not a sticko. Next day 2. Further skin glow in my exact shade. Gorgeous on the skin. Day 23. Sample size of J'adore perfume. Might as well go to Sephora to get a free sample of it. Day 6. Super potent serum in 0.34 ounces. Retails at $150 for 2 ounces. Day 21. Best one yet. Prestige Advanced Serum. This is magic in a bottle. Retails for $380. Which number next?
DIOR Makeup Unboxing. DIOR Unboxing.
It is late at night, and someone across the way is playing La Vie en Rose. It is the French way of saying, I am looking at the world through rose-colored glasses.
What I got free with my purchase. What I actually purchased. Huge Dior beauty unboxing. Hello, Miss Dior. Follow for more unboxings. Dior unboxing.
I was on fire for you. Where did you go? I could have died for you.
Unbox the Dior Capture Totally Dream Skin with me.